No excuses, Woody. You're way behind in your pecking. I'll be back later to check up on you. Now get pecking, pecking, pecking.
Oh, no! I'm 5,000 peck holes behind. She'll demote me to a chigger this time for sure. Unless...
This here's the Uber Termite, genetically created in my lab apparently for efficiency and ferocity. Yeah, I call him Lester.
What are you looking at, you red-coated pig farmer?
Oh, boy, I'll take him. All right, Lester, go on out there and put some holes in those trees before Mother Nature gets here.
Holes? Holes are for golfers and loser woodpeckers.
You had better start cooperating, mister, or else.
No, not the smelly shoe!
I only want holes in the trees, not the whole tree gone.
Oh, what are you, my father?
If he keeps this up, I won't have a forest for Mother Nature to inspect. Here you go. This'll help you make little teeny pecking holes, like a woodpecker. Now, the only sound I want to hear is this. Yes, sir. That little guy is gonna make my life so easy. I said little teeny pecks, like a woodpecker. Learn from the master. First, pick out a tasty spot. Next, aim. Then do what woodpeckers do best. I think Junior's got a bad attitude. I can see I'm going to have to keep you on a short leash. A little peck, then move on. Now a peck of that tree. And take a peck of that one.
Take a peck of this!
How tough a fight might a termite fight? If a termite could not bite. Invisible paint is just the ticket. I'll trick that termite out of here. Then I'll paint the forest back before Mother Nature even gets here.
Nice job, Picasso, but, where's your house?
What? Huh? Why, it's right over here.
Thanks, big guy.
Now into your room.
You're not my father, so you can't tell me what to do.
Enough already! I'm taking you back. Ah, phooey! That little termite you sold me is a monster. Now I need something that'll grow trees. Fast!
These vigor growth seeds should do the trick.
Okay, that does it. Lester?
Dad?
Lester, what are you doing to that nice woodpecker's trees?
He said then I did the holes, the trees with the doctor and the...
Get home, now!
Six 6,607, 6,608. Well, it looks like that little woodpecker finally did some work. But you, Mr. Termite? Why haven't you met your quota? No excuses. Start munching that bark, or I'll demote you to a cheater.
Wow! But
Let's move it, move it, move it. I mean it, you loafer.
please, listen!
Get busy.
Wait, I'm not who you think. Let me explain.